Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for stopping by. You're watching 412 PSC Kustomz here on YouTube. For those of you who don't know, my name is Matt Sr. I'm the founder and CEO of 412 Public Safety Equipment Kustomz out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So today's video, I wanted to showcase a special build that we did for a volunteer fire department here in Pennsylvania. This here in front of us, obviously you guys know it as the Feniex Fusion spoiler mount kit. This is a set that you can purchase from Feniex Industries. Normally this kit comes with the 2 mounting shrouds and 6 either single color or dual color Feniex Fusion surface mount lights. So normally that's what you get. You get 6 surface mount lights. You wire them up, master slave, however you want them to operate, and that's what you get. You have your flood override if you choose, or your couple programmable modes, set your flash patterns, there you have it. Well, this fire department came to us and wanted to have arrow functionality in their spoiler set. So what we have done basically is we have taken a Feniex Fusion 600 Lightstick and turned it into the spoiler mount kit, dual color, so you have the dual functionality, but it operates like the Fusion 600 Lightstick, to the fact that you have all 3 sets of patterns you can choose from. You have your all red, your all amber, and your combination colors. You have your 2 programmable modes, and you have a left alley and a right alley. So this kit is set up for them to basically just simply drill a couple holes so they can feed the wires into the gate of their Chief's Ford Explorer, secure these with the 3M tape that Feniex provides, and wire it up just like a light stick, and they will have all their operations. This is just one of many kits, custom kits that we put together, as you guys are aware. You know, we do dash light kits, we do a couple variation of things. So what I'd like to do is just fire this thing up and kind of show you what it does and how it performs, and go from there. Alright, so we're going to do this a little bit different this time. We're starting kind of on the dual color patterns. I am going to turn the darkening filter on the camera so you guys can see this a little bit better. So I'm going to go through the patterns and then just show you guys the operations of the arrow functions and all that kind of stuff. And of course, like I said before, you have the dual programmable modes. For example, this could be your responding color when you're responding full lights and sirens to a call, and you can go to mode 2 and kind of slow it down a little bit once you get on scene. Of course, as I explained before, you have the two sets of patterns that isolate your two colors. In this case, we have amber and red. All right, so now we are back to the original, or the first pattern, using the dual color combination. I am going to turn this brightness up a little bit, and let's show you some arrow functions. So there you have the left arrow, and of course I have it set just utilizing the dual colors, but of course you can go through and set this all amber, all red, or the combination of the two on any of the couple arrow patterns that they offer. And again, like I said before, we can slow this down with the mode 2 for when you arrive on scene. And there is your right arrow function. And then of course there's the center out. Now the center out I didn't set to do dual color, which I guess we could do that while we're shooting. Show you kind of how you can go through the different patterns with the different colors. And there you have it. There's the center out, utilizing both colors. Alright folks, so there you have it. I just wanted to showcase this. This was a custom build for, as I said, a local volunteer fire department here in Pennsylvania. This will be installed on the fire chief's Ford Explorer. Gives him the spoiler mount look with all the functionality possible in the 600 Lightstick, with the programmable modes, the arrow functions that can be set and programmed however they want them to operate. So if this is a kit that you think maybe your department would be interested in, this is a very simple, just plug and play kit. You know, you mount the equipment, you know, route your wires, feed your wires in there, and hook it up to your controller or your switch box, or however you're planning on triggering all the different functions, and it's a plug and play unit. Really not very difficult. All the difficulty in setting up this set the way it is right now, the way you see it, is done in-house here by our technicians. So yeah, just another custom kit that we can do. You know, if you guys are interested, call up one of the sales staff here, shoot us an email, put a message down below. If you like this video and like to see more like it, please hit that thumbs up button. It lets us know that we're doing something right. We ask that you guys share these videos. Let's get these out there to every first responder and service personnel on this planet, because you never know who in your circle of friends or family could benefit from our equipment, our videos, our expertise. So yeah, let's share. If you haven't already, of course we suggest you subscribe. If you decided to subscribe, make sure you click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any uploads. And one more thing, please be kind to one another out there. I hope everybody is being safe during this pandemic. thank a first responder the next time you have a chance to. You know, we're out there on the front lines, you know, taking care of things even during a pandemic. Makes our job a little bit more dangerous in times like these. Please be kind to one another out there. Get that hashtag out there for my 3rd grade daughter and their kindness club. Hashtag be the kind kid. Be the kind kid. Trust me, it makes the world a better place. Until next time, be safe out there.